you can see, the cylinders are pretty clean. Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to flex hone all the cylinders. I'm going to take a quick ride to my local auto parts store, get a WD-40 or even a spray bottle to make sure to put some motor oil in there and spray the cylinders. Alright, let's get it. You want to make sure it's well lubricated and lubricate the flex hone.
You want to make sure when you're installing the flex hone into the drill that it lines up as straight as possible. This way you make sure that when you're honing it's even.
Alright, so I think this is about as good as we're gonna get. You want to spinning as you're going in. Let's let a few light passes and then come out.
You want to make sure you pull the flex hone out while it's still spinning. That way you don't score the block.
Definitely looks better than before, but it still looks like it could use a little bit of work. Okay. Remember, you want it to be spinning before you go in.
The purpose of flex honing is to deglaze the cylinder walls. It just creates a little bit of friction, good friction, enough friction so that the new piston rings can adequately grip the cylinder walls. You basically want to repeat this process in all the cylinders, making sure you lubricate both the cylinder and the flex hone each time.
Alright, so all the cylinders have been flexed honed. As you can see, the cylinders are pretty clean.
Anyways guys, that's gonna wrap it up for today. Thank you again for all your support. This is my first motor build and hopefully everything goes correctly. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Peace.